What if everything you've been told about retirement is completely wrong? Not slightly off, not a little outdated. Completely, fundamentally wrong. Here's the old story. You work 40 years. You suffer through Monday mornings. You collect your gold watch. You play golf badly. You slowly disappear into a recliner. That's retirement, right? Wrong. That story belongs in a museum next to fax machines and frosted tips. Retirement is not an age. It never was. It's a financial state and a mindset. And the sooner you understand that, the sooner you start actually living. Let me prove it to you. Two people, both age 65. Person A has zero savings, mountains of debt, and absolutely no plan. Person B is 38, financially independent, doing work they genuinely love. Which one is retired? Technically legally on paper, Person A. But realistically, Person B is living the dream, while Person A is still grinding and panicking. Same age means nothing. The money and the mindset mean everything. So let's talk about what retirement actually is. It's not about quitting. People confuse quitting work with freedom all the time. Quitting work just means you stopped doing something. That's not a victory. That's just an ending. Real retirement, the kind worth chasing, is about starting something. A new chapter. A new version of yourself. One that runs on your schedule, your terms, your priorities. Think about it this way. When you close a terrible book, you feel relief. But when you open an incredible new one, that's excitement. That's energy. Real retirement is about opening that incredible new book, not just slamming the old one shut. Now here's where it gets interesting. Research consistently shows that people who retire without purpose struggle badly. Depression, cognitive decline, loss of identity. It hits hard. Because doing nothing is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Freedom to choose what fills your time. That's a massive difference. And this brings us to what experts are calling the new retirement. Forget the rocking chair. Forget the endless cruise buffet. Though honestly, no judgment there. The new retirement looks completely different for everyone, and that's the whole beautiful point. Some people launch second careers at 60, doing work they were always too scared to try when the mortgage was terrifying. Some people turn lifelong hobbies into small businesses. That woodworking obsession, that love of photography, that weird obsession with sourdough bread that got out of hand during the pandemic. These become real, meaningful, income-generating pursuits. Some people travel. Not the rushed 2-week vacation where you come back needing a vacation. Actual slow travel. Months in Portugal. Renting a flat in Japan. Learning to cook Thai food from someone who actually knows what they're doing. Some people mentor younger professionals. Some people volunteer in ways that feel genuinely fulfilling rather than obligatory. Some people finally write the book they've been talking about for 15 years. The new retirement is personalized, intentional, and honestly, it sounds way more appealing than anything the Gold Watch generation was promised. But here's the thing, nobody wants to hear. None of this happens by accident. Freedom has a price tag, and that price tag is called planning. The number one reason people are stuck waiting until 65 is not some magical rule carved in stone. It's because they didn't start planning early enough to have options sooner. That's it. Options require resources. Resources require a plan. A plan requires starting. Now, I'm not going to throw a bunch of complicated financial jargon at you, because this is not that kind of channel. But the basics are simple enough. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference consistently. Understand what your actual number is, meaning the amount you need to live comfortably without mandatory work. Build toward that number with real intention. Every single year you wait costs you more than money. It costs you time. And time, as it turns out, is the whole point of this conversation. Here's your challenge right now, today, not after the next episode of whatever you're binging tonight. Write down what your ideal free life actually looks like. Not the fantasy version where you own a yacht. The real, honest version. What would you do? Where would you go? What would matter? Because retirement planning without a vision is just math. And math is boring. But retirement planning with a real, specific, exciting vision? That's a mission. That changes everything. Stop waiting for 65 to give you permission to live. Start designing your freedom today, at whatever age you are right now, with whatever resources you currently have. Start somewhere. Start small, but start. The gold watch is a nice metaphor, but time freedom? That's priceless. And it's yours if you actually go after it.